Okay, so this evening I just like to introduce to you this small audio recorder which I picked up online. So it records just audio, not video. As some of you would know, I'm quite into recording audio and I realize the power of audio. It's a simple device, easy to carry along with you, easy to record, easy to convert the file, to download it, to upload it wherever you need to, and to share it. It doesn't take too much bandwidth to share audio, and in that sense, it's a very kind of convenient way of archiving and sharing functions, reports about functions, recordings about events, all those kind of things. So this is a recorder which I picked up online from this site called banggood.com, BANGGOOD.com. It's a Chinese site, and it's kind of one of these places where you can, it's like a mini Amazon for China, if you want. Not like Alibaba, but also quite big, also quite organized, with a lot of options available. So this recorder cost me something like 1500 Indian rupees. The best part is that they don't charge you for the postage, or sometimes they don't charge you for the postage, or if they charge you for the postage, it's a very small amount, something what we would be paying within India to buy stuff online. It's a basic recorder. There's nothing fancy about it. 8 MB, 8 MB. A few functions. It has a nice metallic feel to it. It's solid. It's heavy. Uh, it seems to be nicely finished. It's got a few cables that it comes with. This is the box it came in. Okay, it doesn't have, like many Chinese products, it doesn't have a very clear name. It says IC recorder, and the image on the cover has nothing to do with what actually comes in the box. So don't let that put you off, but that's fine. Then you have your earphones that come together with the recorder. These are your earphones, basic earphones. I mean, like in that price range, what you could expect. Okay, it's better than what you expect. You have a lapel mic. To be honest, I've not yet tried it out, but I expect it to be basic. The recorder is fairly decent, good value for money, no doubt about it. So what you're paying for is what you get. You get a bit more than that, in fact. And this is the cable that connects it to your USB. So for some time I was struggling to find out how I charge it, and it's not very clear whether it was charging or not, but it did get charged. I presume I've not read the manual as yet. There's a very thin and slim manual that comes here, just this much, and it has about 10 pages, 12 pages on both sides of instructions. So when I was trying to get it charged, I was not sure whether it has an inbuilt battery, which I presume it does. Looks good to me. I've used a Zoom set of recorders, H1, H2N, which are of course much higher priced. H1 is within the almost 5,000 rupees in India. H2N, you get it at discounts, but like you're talking about 13, 14, 15,000. More facilities, more unidirectional. This has mics all over the place. So it has a front mic here, where I guess if I was speaking, it would be recording me, and it has mics here and on these edges. So it's probably a kind of omnidirectional device.